Okay guys, I'm cutting my toddler lights today. I apologise, I already started cutting it and then thought, oh crap, video. So that's what it looks like on the inside. I stuck my finger in that one. Well, it's still a little bit soft, but turned out quite nicely. Get it away. Shit. It's 152 grams. That'll do.
To the toilet?
No, Baba.
What are you doing?
I'm cutting my soap.
Why?
And making a video to put on YouTube.
Why?
Why not?
I want to go to the back and play.
Go on then.
Okay, but the door is shut.
You can open it.
Yeah.
Oops.
Yeah. I need to hold the door first and open it.
Hang on.
This door is heavy. When I come back, I might have another trip.
Okay. Sorry. There's my granddaughter. Okay. So you can't really see the confetti that much, but see it a little bit. I tried, I put it in the freezer because I didn't want it to gel. It's still soft. Oh, that's a good one. You can see it down the bottom. Got some air bubbles. I couldn't tap them down properly, I think because of all the soap bits. That's a pretty one. Right, well I might leave the rest, cut it later on because it is really soft.
Big kid.
Right. See ya.